Ever wondered how long it really takes to make it big in the cutthroat world of New York City real estate? First, you've got to get licensed, which involves about 75 hours of coursework, passing the state exam, and finding a sponsoring brokerage. Budget around 2 to 6 months for this initial hurdle. Next comes the grind of building your client base. This isn't an overnight thing, so actively network, attend open houses, and leverage online platforms to generate leads realistically. Expect 6 to 12 months to establish a solid foundation. Mastering negotiation, marketing, and understanding the nuances of the NYC market takes time and experience. Consistently upskill through workshops, mentorships, and studying successful agents. Plan for continuous learning throughout your career. So, while there's no magic number, becoming a truly successful realtor in NYC typically takes 2 to 5 years of consistent hard work, dedication, and strategic learning. But remember, the hustle never stops. Are you ready to take on the challenge? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insider tips on navigating the NYC real estate scene. #NY Real Estate #Career Path.